Cooking with Moni here. I've got free organic eggs. So I plan to cook balado eggs, an Indonesian cuisine. Let's look at the ingredients. 8 eggs and 2 ripe tomatoes, 5 candle nuts, some hot dried chilies, 1 tablespoon dried coarse chili, 1 tablespoon paprika powder, and 1 bay leaf. Next, I'm going to use 2 to 3 teaspoons of coconut sugar, some salt, and lastly, some sweet Indonesian soy sauce. Let's boil the eggs first. Then cut these tomatoes into cubes. As I don't have the grinding stones, so I use the grater. It's from ceramics. I like it because it is easy to clean it after use. For the result, it is okay, not bad. Not too bad, right? For the hot chili, I just kind of break it. Gonna mix all the spices together. Let's put some coconut sugar. Try for 2 teaspoons first. Uh-oh. Got it. Let's put some salt, about half teaspoon. So this is one of the ways to do simple Indonesian or any Asian cooking while you are staying in Europe or any country that is not easy for you to get fresh, authentic spices. So for me, I usually just using dried spices that I can get in supermarket or Asia groceries here. Because I don't really like the ready-made packet spices, I find it always too oily. Let's peel the eggs. How to boil hard, smooth eggs? You can watch my previous video on how to do it. Let us heat up the pan and put oil into the pan. Going to fry the eggs now. It is hot enough. Oh yes, I forget to switch on my chimney hood to extract the smoke. But it will be noisy. So after a while, we can use the spatula to roll the eggs. Just make sure most parts getting fried. When the color is golden brown, then we can take them out from the pan. It looks like almost done. Going to scoop them out. Now I'm going to continue to stir fry the spices. Fry the bay leaf first, then followed by the well-mixed spices. We can turn down the heat to the lowest when we are frying the spices, so that it is not burnt. Let's put in the tomatoes. Because I'm using tomatoes, so I don't need water. I'm using tomatoes because I want to have the sour taste. Too bad I don't have lime leaves. But doesn't matter. As I said, whatever I have, I just use it. So just saute the spices and tomatoes till its color changes to a little darker. I think I need some salt. And also half a teaspoon more sugar. You can put the eggs now. Just put some sweet soy sauce on top. Done. You can garnish with some fried onions. This balado egg is a great companion for steamed coconut or white rice. I hope you enjoy it, and thanks for watching. If you like my cooking video, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Bye!